Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So how you can change display resolution and scale. So how you can do that in Windows 11. Let me show you, okay? So first of all, search the settings. Okay, open the settings. Now go to system, the second option. And now click the first option, display. Okay, scroll down. You can see the scale and layout option, okay? So first we talk about scale. So here we have 125% recommended. If you want to low and higher, you can create, you can make it, okay? So just I'll select 100%. You can see something is changed, okay? This is 100%, but I prefer 125 because it's recommended and it's normal, okay? And display resolution. You can see adjust the resolution to fit your connected display, okay? So I can see the resolution there. Here we have multiple resolution. If you want to change, you can change according to your uh, display, okay? So let's select this and you can see no, revert back, okay? So this is the way. And also you can see the display oriented, okay? This is landscape and you can select another type, okay? And multi-display, if you have attached multiple display, you can see here and manage from here, okay? So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. And if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And thank you for watching this video. Bye.